It's brand new. Never been used. Welcome to the Love Wins house.
This is an answered prayer. It's amazing, and this will be a place of love for people that haven't known a lot of love.
Awesome. Who should we do that?
So they made a closet, and when they put the addition, so this
How much?
here is.
Who wants to guess what's really in here?
So there are actually buckets upon buckets of letters in this house like this. Oh, you have a light? So it's receipts from the store.
What you finding?
Oh, we're finding lots of stuff.
There's a money bag. Is there any money in it?
We're praying that this place will be an answer to abuse and be just a healing place, and a place where we walk in the door and we completely look out for other people's interests.
Don't go out on the balcony because it does not seem safe. So we have the one functioning full bathroom in the house.
Eventually we'll want this to be a place of excellence. We don't want it to be a place of opulence, but we want it to be a place to where we show that, that people matter.
God's redeemed us, and how rough and banged up we are on the inside. You're going to see that in this place, but you also can very easily see how beautiful this place is and really can be for some other people around us. So it's been pretty emotional, as you see, but you know, when you get into these things in this place, you really, when you touch some of these rooms upstairs, I mean, it's still there. That person's life, their pictures, their family, their keys, it's like they just disappeared.
It's also very cool. Every room that you go into, you'll find Jesus everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Everywhere.
Light switches,
There
everything.
is. Yeah. So it's just laying on the table here, right? And it's a handwritten letter to, I believe, Miss Bessie, because she was sick. It says, "Dear Bessie, I hope this cross will help you to get better with God's help. A friend of mine owns the store where they get them from. He is also praying for you." So, like, how cool is that? You'll find this everywhere. You will find Jesus in every nook and cranny. So I just found the deed here, and down at the bottom, the purchase price of $5. That the lot of ground and the premises is $5.